Take a look at this absolutely stunning 1972 Buick Electra 225. This car is immaculate and has 27,000 actual miles. And this car has been in the same family since it was new up until 2019. So almost a one family owned car since new. 27,000 actual miles on this car. And man, does it show. Take a look down the sides here. Again, you'll see how nice, clean, straight. The green with the white vinyl top's a nice sharp contrast. The vinyl top is in great shape as well. It's not checking or cracking or peeling or anything like that. Electra deuce and a quarter, some guys call it. So 27,000 actual miles on this car. And I'm not kidding when I tell you it still smells like this thing was on the showroom floor inside as well. A little bit of work that was done in the last couple of years since 2019. It had new tires put on it. It had new exhaust system put on it and a few other incidentals, just maintenance type things. But otherwise, this baby is sharp. Now, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's original documentation, including the bill of sale. There's some books and manuals and all those sorts of things in the trunk as well. So you can see all those on the website. Let's take a look inside of this beauty. Interior is original, and again, it certainly shows. So Electra 225, you've got power windows, you've got power seat, all those controls are right there. The dash is excellent, no cracks, no splitting. You see a lot of these cars, just from heat and age, they crack. This one is perfect. Steering wheel's in good shape as well. It's not cracked up, busted up, or anything like that. Of course, the car has factory air conditioning. 27,460 miles currently on the clock. Stock radio. There you go. And that door card is equally as nice over there. And as I mentioned earlier, there's no foul smells or odor or mothballs or anything like that in this car. It is stunning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the hood and we'll get this fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we have the hood open and we'll get her fired up here for you. There we go. Okay. Man, the interior is nice in here. We'll take a look here quick. And she is running smooth as a kitten. That's a cold start, by the way, for those that are curious. This car is powered by its 455 4-barrel V8 engine. Now, if you notice, there's some neat things about this. The car still has the pollution pump on it, factory air conditioning, power brakes and power steering. It still has a factory sticker there. This car is a time capsule, and it shows. It's on high idle right now. 455. Alright, we'll go around back, take a listen. You will not be disappointed in this car. Whoever gets to put this in their garage should consider themselves lucky. Again, you can see all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are available as well to help protect your purchase.